Okay, back again with this kit all dried and ironed, and I'm going with Midnight Garden is the name for this kit. Now, a few videos back I said I was going to try some liquid dye. Well, I was able to pick up some liquid dye, and these run almost $5 a bottle at Joann's, and it's 8 full ounces. But I will tell you what, I put a pipette in the bottle and squirted it. This stuff is so concentrated. I had to take some out and water it down. And if you start using these, part of the reason I wanted to use these is because I did that pink spatter kit, and I had a lot of pink spatter from the dye not dissolving, so I wanted to try this to try to avoid having spatter. And I still got some dye separation even with the liquids, so it's okay with me. It makes for pretty paper, but eco dyeing is just one of those mediums that you just don't have control over. So, but this stuff, back to what I was saying, is so concentrated that you can literally buy this bottle. I bet this bottle will last longer than I'm alive. You know, this thing, this 8 ounces, boy, I barely took maybe 25% of an ounce and watered it down quite a bit. And the ratio I ended up with watering it down was like 6 parts water to 1 part dye. So this is gonna last you forever. They're almost $5 a piece, but it's a heck of an investment. So I got cocoa brown. Here's another thing about eco dyeing. I put brown in this kit and the leftover blue from my tie-dye that I did. And look at this color. And I've had this issue with this brown coming out red, and I've even got pinks in here and some rust color. If you look up in this corner, that's kind of rust, and then pink down in here. So, and then yellow from the leaves. This is one of those happy things. I love it because it shows me that when I lose control and I don't have a say in the outcome, that things can happen really beautifully that otherwise wouldn't happen if I had total control. So that is the benefit of eco dyeing for me. So I got the cocoa brown, which is what I used on here. And again, you never know how your colors are going to come out. I got this wine. I have not used it yet. I'm very excited to do a kit. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and hit the bell notification, because I'm going to get as many colors as I can. I just, you know, with the budget, I just get a couple at a time. And that's how I build my collection with everything. So here's Petal Pink, and this is the one I had all that trouble with dissolving. So I'm going to see how the liquid does, and I'll tell you. And then Denim Blue, this is my favorite dye color that I've used so far. I love this color. I did a kit, I can't remember what I named it, but it's in my store, and there's a video on it. But this color is really a nice color. So I'm going to be trying all these dyes out, and I will let you know how they work. Okay, so I'll go ahead and play some music, and here we go. guys, once again, I hope you enjoyed this flip through too. And this kit's now available in my shop. And again, it's 24, as they all are, 24 images, 12 double-sided. And then I wanted to tell you, when I get these really blatant white spots in my dies, when I put these into Photoshop to prepare them to put in my shop, my Etsy store, I fill in these real blatant ones. So that's the only thing I alter when I'm doing these, because this really kind of drives me bonkers. I don't like it so much, and I don't want to get a bunch of stuff out. If it's coffee colored, I'll use coffee. Otherwise, I'll just do it in Photoshop. So those will not be in the kit. And I hope you give this a shot, and I'm really glad you all stopped by again today. And it's just not worth it to do this without you guys. So thank you so much for joining me once again. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification. And thanks once again for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.